Hey guys, so how can you develop a game engine when you barely have any time or energy in your day? I know that you may be a working professional or a student, and by the time that you come home, you most likely don't even have the energy to open up your laptop. Well, here is the solution. Work on implementing one small portion of your game engine every single day. For example, if you can only implement one function a day, that is perfect. Because if you think about it, if you work on it every day, within a week, you may have a whole class implemented. And if you follow the same pattern, within a month, you may have a whole feature up and running. And keep doing that. And within 3 months, you may have a whole system working. So do not underestimate the power of working on small things every day because they do add up. And before you realize it, you may have a whole game engine right in front of you.